That's just really dark grass, bro. You're not gonna find fish in there. Look, the greener lawn. What you looking for?
What are you finding, bro?
If you like my content, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, check the notifications bell, and always leave a comment in the comment section.
Hey guys, Jeremy of the Greener Lawn here, just coming to you just to give us a quick update on where I'm at in my lawn. It's been 1 week since I've applied my heavy hit of Air8 and Humic12 and this lawn. Then it's on point right now. She's definitely popping. The color, can't argue with results. But all the way around, down the park strips. That's the other thing that I've actually had applied on it. Because these products, what they are is they're an amplifier. They amplify those things in the soil that we've applied, and they make them prolong. The effects that I saw from the Air8 Humic12, there was Milorganite in the soil that I had put in a week before I applied this, so definitely built on top of it. It's good stuff. This week's question is, how's your lawn doing? How's it looking? I know that it's the beginning of August and a lot of lawns are stressed at this point in time, but I want to know how your guys' lawns are doing right now. Leave it in the comments below. I would love to hear what your guys' lawns look like right now. Right now, I'm pretty on point. A lot of lawns are struggling. It happens. You know, maybe we can help you out. Hit me up in the comments below, let me know. I just got done doing my afternoon watering for the stress. I only have it doing it 1 day a week, but it's the day right after I mow. And I think that my lawn stresses out quite a bit. I'm Jeremy of the Greener Lawn. Make her green.
How was that? Yeah, babe.
It's a Milorganite.
They got some in stock.
There's a lot though.
Well, we're getting 20 of them. 20 of them. 20 bags. Left them a couple, so if you guys are looking for it, Lowe's in Riverdale, Utah, we got some. They'll have roughly 30 left. I took 20. Let's see if this thing actually moves.
Just say about this fart smell.
Oh, good gracious. This car is lit up right now. If you go get Milorganite in this kind of quantities, 20 bags, I would recommend getting a truck so you don't have to smell it the whole ride home. This is in my Navigator and it's falling all over the place. Hopefully it doesn't pop a hole, because you know what that smells like.
Oh, it's gonna smell horrible.
Well, I don't think it gets much worse than this right now, Dismo.
No,
Luckily it's not baking in here because it's at nighttime.
Didn't it bake once in here?
It did, it did.
And it did not
The first
smell.
time I ever got it, we got it in the middle of the day and we walked into a store and it was all over the place. Smelling good!
If you made it this far into my video, go ahead and smash the like button, give me a comment in the comment section below, and go ahead and subscribe if you're not already subscribed.